Hey everyone! Things are looking a little different today because Tina isn't feeling her best.
I think I'm running a fever and I'm just feeling so incredibly tired today. I have to tell Mom that I am feeling sick.
What happened, Tina? Are you okay, dear?
Mom, I am not feeling very well.
Shall we go to the doctor, dear? Sam, I think she has a fever.
Oh, let me check with a thermometer.
She has high fever, over 102 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, let's take her to the doctor.
The doctor?
Yes, the doctor will help you.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, dear, get inside. We will go see a doctor.
That's right, it'll be quick. I hope the doctor is not very busy.
Let's go together.
Hi, can I have an appointment, please?
Mom, is the doctor kind?
Yes, the doctor is very kind.
The doctor will talk slowly.
Okay, slow.
Do you need some water?
No, Mom.
Are you comfortable, dear?
Yes, Dad. It is quiet here.
Yes, we speak softly here. Hello, Tina.
Hello, Doctor.
How are you today?
My throat hurts. I have fever.
I see. That is okay. I will check you. Thank you, doctor. Please open your mouth. Very good, Tina.
Is it bad?
No, you will be fine. Good to hear. Thank you so much.
Drink warm water. Rest at home. You are very brave. I will prescribe some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
You did great.
I was not scared.
We are proud of you.
Thank you.
The doctor visit is finished. The family drives home. The day feels calm.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, Mom. I feel better. The doctor was nice.
Yes, the doctor was very kind.
They are home now. Tina is happy to be home.
We are home!
Yes, home finally.
She sits on the sofa, feeling warm and relaxed.
Here is some warm soup. Drink slowly.
Okay.
It is evening now. Tina gets ready for bed.
Let's brush your teeth.
Okay. Time to change into pajamas.
Okay, Dad.
Tina is in bed. Mom and Dad are with her.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, Mom.
Do you want a short story?
Yes, please.
Once upon a time, there was a brave little boy.
Like me?
Yes, he was brave. Just like you.
Good night, Tina.
Sleep well.
The room is quiet. The light is soft. The bed feels warm. The blanket feels safe. Tina's eyes are closed now. Her face is calm.
I think she is sleeping.
Yes, she is resting well.
I hope she will be fine tomorrow.
Surely the medicine is good.
Yes, after taking the medicine, she was feeling better.
The doctor did not seem worried at all.
Rest and medicine should help her feel normal again.
Today was stressful, but we handled it together.
Yes, and we learned to check early with the doctor.
Tomorrow is a new day, but now it is time to sleep. Everything is okay. Everything is calm. Thank you for listening. Sleep well. Good night. If you enjoyed the video, leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel to learn slow English.